Hello viewers, so welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch up to the end. So we have 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equals to 8 to the power of x plus 7. So we are asked to find the value of x. So let's work it out by first having the solution. So here now we shall have 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equals to 8 to the power of x plus 7. So the first thing that we all know that when we have 8 to the power of m plus n, this one can also be written as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So we shall apply this here now. So here now we shall have 7, so 7 to the power of x, so multiplied by the dot, so by also 7 to the power of 8 is equals to 8 to the power of x, then multiplied by 8 to the power of 8 to the power of 7. So once we have that particular problem, then we shall check what is common. So what is common in this case, I want to divide both sides by 8 to the power of x. So meaning that I'll divide this side by 8 to the power of x, then also this side by 8 to the power of x. So in that case, now I shall have here, I shall still have 7 to the power of x multiplied by 7 to the power of 8 all over 8 to the power of x, which is equals to, so 8 to the power of x and 8 to the power of x shall cancel. So now we shall have 8 to the power of 7. So the next thing that I'll check now, I shall now be forced to now divide both sides to the power of 7 to the power of 8, simply because I want to remain with 7 to the power of x on this other side. So meaning that I will multiply this side by 7 to the power of 8, then also shall divide these sides by 7 to the power of 8. I shall also divide this side by 7 to the power of 8, so that now 7 to the power of 8 and 7 to the power of 8 shall cancel. Now I will have 7 to the power of x all over 8 to the power of x is equals to 8 to the power of 7 all over 7 to the power of 8. So it meaning that suppose I have 8 to the power of, suppose I have a to the power of x all over b to the power of x. This one can also be written as a over b, then all of them into bracket to the power of x. So let's do that up here. So here now shall have 7 over 8, then to the power of x, which is equals to 8 to the power of 7 all over 7 to the power of 8. So let's proceed and have now. So in order for us to work out this part now, we shall use the log. So we shall now have the log of 7 over 8 to the power of x is equals to the log of 8 to the power of 7 all over 7 to the power of 8. So this to mean that, so the log of 7 over 8 to the power of x can also be written as x log 7 over 8 is equals to this other side. Now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of 7 all over 7 to the power of 8. So now from there now we shall say now, so here now we shall also have x log 7 over 8 is equals to, so the log of 8 to the power of 7 can also be written as 7 log 8. Then since it's a division, we shall do what? We shall subtract according to the law of exponents. So here now we shall have minus what? Minus 8, sorry, minus 8 log 7, minus 8 log 7. So on that case now, we shall now have to remain with the value of x this side. So we shall be forced to divide both sides by the log of 7 over 8. This side also by the log of 7 over 8. So the log of 7 over 8 and the log of 7 over 8 shall cancel. So now we shall now say now our x is equals to 7, this one 7 log 8 minus this one 8 log 7, then all over, then the log 7 over 8 can also be written as log 7 minus log 8. So that one we can apply it by using the law of indices or the law of logarithm or the law of exponents. They still remain the same. So let's now proceed and now use our calculator to work these ones out. So now we shall now have x is equals to 7 into bracket. So use your calculator to have log 8. So when you use our calculator to have log 8, we shall round it off to 4 decimal places. We shall have 0.9031, 0.9031, then minus, here we shall have 8 into, so use our calculator to calculate log 7. So we shall have 0.8451, 0.8451. So that's the result that we shall have when we apply our calculator. We shall have this. So all over, now we shall use the calculator still to calculate log 7. So our log 7 almost we had, which is 0.8451, 0.8451. Then we shall use to find log 8. So our log 8 was this one, 0.9031. So minus 0.9031. So let's proceed. So 7 multiplied by the number inside the bracket, we shall have, by using our calculator, we shall have 6.3217. So this one is equals to 6.3217. So minus 8 multiplied by the number inside the bracket, we shall have 6.7608. Then all over, so when you work out 0.84 subtract from this one, we shall have minus 0.058. So now our x now is equals to, so x is equals to, when you use our calculator to work out the number 6.3217 minus 6.7608, we shall have minus 0.4391. So all over this minus 0.058. So when you still use our calculator to work out that one, so we now settle and now say that x is not is equals to but approximately, x is approximately 7.571. So that now becomes our correct answer. So if you really enjoyed how we work out, please remember to subscribe to our channel.